Hi everyone, today I would like to share with you a simple Indian red cabbage salad that my mom used to make. It is a very colorful salad and a nice way of introducing different vegetables and taste to children. You'll find the list of ingredients in the description box below. You can use either white or red cabbage. With that you can use any salad vegetables. I'm using 1 tomato, couple of carrots, 1 red pepper, a tablespoon of fresh ginger. I'm using frozen ginger, freshly squeezed juice of 1 lemon or lime, handful of fresh coriander. I'm starting by grating half a cabbage and 1 carrot. It's up to you for how many people you're going to make the salad for, so you can decide either to use 1 carrot or 2, but I'm making it for 2 people, so I'm using half a cabbage and 1 carrot and finely chopped pepper. Next I'll be chopping tomatoes, but I'm only using 1 tomato. This salad is very tasty. I always make this for my children as it's their favorite salad. At least we make it once a month, and you can make it enough to last you for 2 days. Make this salad 2 or 3 hours before you're going to serve it, so that all the spices and herbs are well blended in. Next I am grating the ginger, so about tablespoon of ginger. Next a juice of whole lemon or lime juice. So you add the lime juice to the salad. And next finely chopped coriander. So this is an Indian salad with all the Indian flavors in it, so fresh herbs and spices. Now for flavoring, half a teaspoon of coriander and cumin powder as per your taste, chili powder or paprika powder, again as per your taste, salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. You throw in all these ingredients in the salad. So now for the warm dressing, need 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm using sunflower oil, and a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds. You take a small saucepan and put it on the heat and add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm using sunflower oil, and add mustard seeds and wait for the mustard seeds to start popping, and you'll hear the popping sound. As soon as the mustard seeds start popping, you immediately add the sesame seeds. Once you see that the mustard seeds and the sesame seeds are well blended in and the sesame seeds will start going brown, at that very moment you take it off the heat and pour it onto the salad. So you mix in the warm dressing in the salad, and there might be some mustard seeds and sesame seeds still left in the container. You just put in a little bit of your salad and clean it all out and put it back in the salad, because all the flavor is in the warm oil. That's it, and you mix the salad. And that's about it. It's a very tasty, colorful salad that goes with any Indian food, or you can have it with lovely tasty bread, or use it as a starter dish, or eat it on its own. Just before serving, garnish it with fresh coriander or with fresh pomegranate seeds.